Mae'r wybodaeth ni'n cael yn helpu ni wneud penderfyniadau trwy'r blwyddyn, yn beth pryd ni moyn agor, pryd ni yn y gaeaf, ni fel arfer yn agor gwed dydd Mercher i dydd Sul. Ond falle ni'n gallu edrych ar y data a gweud, wel, sneb lot yn dre dydd Mercher a dydd Iau, so dyw e ddim yn gwneud symwyr i ni agor ar y dyddiau hynny. A mae hwnna'n helpu ni safio arian wedyn a neu'n siŵr bod ni'n dim ond yn agor pan mae fe'n gwneud symwyr i ni agor a pam ni'n gallu elw o bod ar agor. Felly mae'r data ni'n cael trwy'r Smart Towns, mae'n really helpu ni i shwt i marchnata, a'n really helpu ni o wneud penderfyniadau busnes i wneud siŵr bod ni'n llwyddiannus. We kind of use the data, or can use the data to validate what we're doing and how that's feeding back into the community. And a good example would have been the concerts we held in 2019. We had about 1,500 people in here with acts like Katie Tunstall. And the app clearly showed the increased traffic in town throughout the day on the days of those concerts, not just whilst the concert was on, which really demonstrates the benefit of having a facility like this in Cardigan for the rest of the town, which can be helpful for creating evidence for community benefit when we're putting money in for grant funding or similar. The effort we have to put in to get benefit from this is minimal, almost limited to reading an email. I say we're very lucky that the Town Council, the Town Centre Partnership and the 4CG guys have put in so much work into it that it works really seamlessly now. And I think everybody in town really sees the benefits of it. And it's really given us a cheap or almost free way of being able to compete data collection-wise with some of the bigger organisations in and around the locality. O ran Covid nawr, mae wedi bod yn real help i trial, mae pawb yn trial difalu beth sy'n mynd i digwydd. Mae hwn yn gallu rhoi bach o real time i ti o beth sydd yn digwydd. Any business who just takes the time to just learn roughly what the information means will garner some benefit from it.